So today we have to start the ordinal number. Okay. Hello 800.
Wait, what?
Yes.
I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
Okay. I am saying that we have to start today the ordinal number. Okay. Before that, no one has joined, so let's do a revision with you. Okay, because they have done some work, previous work, and you are new. That's why let's do some revision till then. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you know about the increasing order and decreasing order?
No.
Okay, just a minute. Hello 502. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Okay.
And I know
Let
him.
Oh, you know him?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, he
Let me
kicked me
share.
out. You kicked me out first.
Okay, let me share my online board. Just a minute. Okay, so before moving forward, let's do a quick revision of what we have done till now. So let's start with the place value. So for example, suppose there is a number like 39. So the place value of 9, is 1. And the place value of 3 is tens. Is my voice is properly clear to you all? Is my voice is clear?
Yeah.
Everyone tell me.
It's a lawsuit. But why me?
502, please mute. Lot of voices coming from your side. Okay, please mute now. Okay. 831, please tell me, can you hear my voice? Is it clear?
Yeah, I do hear you.
Okay. 502, please mute. Okay, please mute because I think you are outside. That's why some noise is coming. Okay. Now listen. We are doing a quick revision. So 39 is a number and we want to know the place value of 9. The place value of 9 is ones and the place value of 3 is tens. Okay, always whenever we are writing the place value, first comes ones, then tens, then hundred, okay, then thousand. Okay, like this, the place value will goes on. Then 10,000, then 100,000. Okay, like this, the place value goes. So, but suppose I'm writing a number like 5, 3, 1. Okay, suppose I have written a number 5, 3, 1. So, always start with this side. Always start with this side. So, this is ones place. This is tens place and this is 100 place. So what we will say? 531. The number is 531. Similarly, there is a number 642. So 2 is in the ones place 4 is in the tens place and 6 is in the hundred place. So what we will tell this number? 600. 6 is in the hundred place. So we will say 642.
642.
Okay. Yes, 642. Now I want to write this number in the expanded form. Suppose there is a number like 473 and I want to write this number in expanded form. So what we will write, we will start from this side. Okay, to write in expanded form, we will start from this side. This is the hundred place. This is the tens place and this is the ones place. So in the hundred place there is 4. So we will write here 400. Now then we will put a sign of addition. Now in the place of tens there is 7. So I will write here 7 tens means 70. And in the place of ones there is 3. So I will write here plus 3. Okay, this is the expanded form. Suppose I have to write the expanded form of 609. How I will write the expanded form of 609? 6 is in the place of 100. So I will write here 600. Now I will put a sign of plus. Then now see 0. Okay, whenever the 0 is there, we will only write 0. 0 does not have any value or any place. So that's why we will write only 0. Now 9 is in the place of 1. So we will write here 9. This is the expanded form.
609.
Yes, 609 we write this like this. Okay?
Okay.
Hello 586. How are you? 586. Okay. So I am just doing the revision. Okay? A quick revision of whatever we have done till now. Now see the next one. Suppose the number is written in the expanded form like 400 plus 20 plus 3.
423.
Yes, we will write it as 423. This is the short form. This is the short form of this expanded form. If the number is given in expanded form and it will tell us to write in the short form, then we will write like this. And if the number is given in the short form and it will tell that you have to write this in expanded form, then you will write like this. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now see, there is one condition. Suppose it is written 600 plus 0 and plus 4. So it it is clear that 604. But sometimes it is also written like this. See, it is also written like this, like 600 plus 4. 0 is not written sometimes. 0 is not written. Then how you will know that 0 is in which place? Can you tell me? If the question is like this, expanded form is like this, and 0 is not written in the between, then what you will do? See here, now we will count. The 4 is in the ones place, 600 is in the hundred place. And which place is empty? Tens place is empty. So in the tens place, we will put 10. It will become 6, 0 and 4. Is it clear now?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's move forward to the next. What we have revised. Just
I
we are
know this
doing a quick
already.
Yes, we are just doing a quick revision of whatever we have done till now. Okay? Now let's see the next one, next topic, that is comparison. Now we will see the comparison. Before going to that, let's see what, suppose there is a number like 153. Now tell me what is one more than 153? One more. Yes, what is one more than 153? It means what comes after 153?
154.
Yes, 154. So whenever the question is asking what is one more, so what you will do? You will tell after 3 what comes? 4 comes. So it will become 154. Similarly, the question is what is 369, 368, and you have to tell me one more. One more than 368. So what will be the one more than 368?
369.
Yes, correct. It's 369. Very good. Okay, now
Answer.
listen. Yes?
39.
Okay. Now listen, if there is a question like 426 and what is one less? Now you have to tell me one less than 426. Less means one number before. What comes before 6?
465.
Oh, yes, correct. It's 425. 502, please mute. I think there is a lot of noise. Please be at 502 because lot of noise is coming from your side, okay? Whenever you want to answer, unmute, answer and then again mute, okay? Okay, now again see, suppose there is a 334. Now what is 1 less than 334?
323.
Correct. It's 323. In 1 less, what we are doing? We are writing a number just before. Means before 4, 3 is coming. In the ones place before 4, what is coming? 3 is coming. Okay. Now see the next one. Now the question is 10 more. What is 10 more? Suppose question is 421. Now question is what is 10 more?
Oh, 10 more is 31.
Yeah, so what we are doing in the 10 more, see the tens place. 10 more means ones place and tens place. It means we will increase tens place by 1. This is the tens place, and what comes after 2? After 2, 3 comes. So it will become 431.
I already knew that.
We are changing only the number in tens place. We are not changing the number of ones place, and we are not changing the number of 100 place. We are just changing the number of tens place. Now see the next one.
I'm just supposed to use it.
535. 535. What is 10 more than 535?
635.
No, not 635. 10 more. I'm not asking 100 more. I'm asking 10 more. You have to change the tens place.
545.
Yes, it's 545. Now now tell me 438. Now tell me 10 less. What is 10 less?
428.
Yes, In less, what we will do? We will write the number of the tens place. See the tens place. What comes before this number? So it will be 428.
School. So I feel like I'm in first grade.
Similarly, what is 10 less than 894? Tell me what is, yes, what is 10 less than 894?
884.
Yes, here in tens place, see the tens place, we will, less means one number before. It will come 884. Okay? Now we have done up to 10th. See now, see the 100 place.
Oh, that's easy.
Six to 5. Now tell me what is 100 more than 6 to 5?
7 to 5.
Yes. 8, 7 to 5.
That's easy.
Now tell me what is 8, 3, 4, 100 less. Now you have to tell me 100 less.
Oh, 734.
Yes. So in the 100 place, which is the 100 place, this is the 100 place, and we will make one less means one number before. It will come 734. Okay, now up to here we have done. Now see the next revision is the revision of the comparison. Now we will see the comparison. Now tell me, there are two numbers
Oh,
and you have to tell me, we have to put this is greater sign, this is smaller sign, and this is equal sign. Which sign will be here?
I know this.
Yes, tell me.
687.
Which sign we will put here? This is the sign of greater, this is the sign of smaller, and this is the sign of equals to. Then which sign will be there? Name the sign. Greater, smaller, equals to.
Greater.
No, we can't put the greater sign. Greater sign means it will come this sign, and this will be wrong.
But smaller side.
Whenever we are comparing the two numbers, then always see the number at this side. The left side of your hand, always see the number of this side. If this number is smaller than this number, then put the sign of smaller. If this number is bigger than another number, then put the sign of bigger. Okay? Always see this number. Now similarly 841-803. Now tell me which sign will be there.
841.
Tell me the sign. Tell me the name of the sign. Greater, smaller, or equals to?
Greater.
Yes. 841 is greater than 803. It is greater. Okay. See here, because 41 is bigger than 3. Here in the 100 place, both are having same number, that is 8. But in the 10th and 100 place, it is 41 and here it is 3. That's why this is greater. Now similarly, 752 and 789. Now tell me which sign we will put here.
Smaller.
Yes, because 52 is smaller than 89. This is the sign of smaller. Now 441 equals to 441. Now tell me which sign we will put.
Equal.
Correct. Equal sign. So up to here we have understood the comparison. Okay, now let's move to the ascending order and descending order. That is increasing number and decreasing number. So let's see here first. Okay, first tell me which is the greater number among these. Greater number among these.
354.
Yes. This is the greater number. Now tell me the smaller number.
321.
Yes, this is the smaller number. Okay. Now let's come to the question. Suppose ascending order. See, ascending order means like this. It means it is starting from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. So see, this is the ascending order. In ascending order, what happens? The number starts from smaller, then it goes bigger, then goes bigger, then goes bigger, like this. So what happened here? It starts with the smaller number, right? Suppose there is a number. See the number 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, 9 and 2, 8, 1 and 2, 6, 4. Now see, there are 4 numbers. To arrange in the increasing order. Increasing order means ascending order. That is, we have to arrange from smaller. First smaller number, then bigger, then again bigger, and then again bigger. Like this, we have to arrange this in ascending order. So tell me the first number that will come.
264.
Yes. 2, 6, 4. Now tell me the second number. This number we have got
281.
correct. 2, 8, 1. Tell me the next number.
301.
Correct. 586. Are you understanding? Do you have any problem? Are you getting?
No.
Now it's. You're not understanding?
I am. Yeah, I am.
Please tell me so that I can again explain. If you have any doubt, please ask.
Nothing.
Okay, 586. Is it clear?
Yeah.
And 502. Is it clear? 502. Is it clear? Please unmute and tell me.
502.
You are.
Yes.
Okay. And 831? 831, okay. Okay, now everyone see. So in the last part we will write 3, 2, 9. So here up to here we have arranged this in ascending order. Ascending order is also known as increasing order, okay? Ascending order means increasing. See, here see, this number is increasing. Yeah, see, number are increasing, again increasing, more increasing. So this is the sign of increasing, that is ascending order. Now see, let's see the number of descending order. Descending order or decreasing order, both are same. Descending order. Now see. Okay. One 482 and 411. Now descending order. See, and what does descending order mean? It means now from bigger to smaller. That is 10, comma 9, comma 8, 7, 6. This is backward counting. See, in the descending order, we will write the backward counting.
7, 6, 5.
Ah. So see, this is the descending order. First bigger number, then smaller, then again smaller, then again smaller, like this it goes on. Now tell me, there are 4 numbers and now we have to arrange these numbers in descending order or decreasing order. It means first we have to write the bigger number, then smaller, then again more smaller, then again more smaller, like this. Now tell me, what is the bigger number among these 4 numbers?
464. No, 482. 482.
Yes, it's 4, 8, 2. Okay, now which sign we will put? We'll put the sign of bigger. This is the bigger number. That's why the mouth will be this side. Okay, this is the bigger number. That's the mouth will open this side. Now see the next one. Which number will come next?
464.
4, 6, 4. No. Okay, yes, 4, 6, 4. Now tell the next one.
431.
Correct. It's 4, 3, 1. And the last one will be 411. This is left only.
Easy. 411.
Yes. So this is how we arrange in the descending order. Now up to here, is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
So we have done ascending order, we have done descending order. Now we will see how to form the numbers. Okay, now see the numbers. We have to form the numbers. Now how we will form the numbers? Just see here.
4.
The topic is form
numbers.
Okay. Now see, the topic is form the numbers. So what we will do here 2 or 3 numbers is given. Suppose 236 a number is given. Okay, until now what we are doing, we are just forming up to the 6 number, 6 place. Suppose here, see the number is 236. What we will do to see the first number? The first number will be the number itself. This number will be the first number, like 236. Now see the second number. So how you will find the second number? For finding the second number, what you will do? You will interchange the place of the second and third digit. Can you see here? You have interchanged the digit of second and third. So what we will get? 263. Now see the third one. Third one again. Now we have to here. 2, 3 says it changed the places. Now see here what numbers we will take. The second place is 3. We have taken number from the first place. First we will take number 2 here also. Number 2 in the first place. And we have changed the second place. Now we will take the 10th place, that is 3 in the first place. Now what we will write, I have written the 3 in the first place and remaining 2 number I will write it as it is. That is 3, 2, 6. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
How we have written? We have written 3, the 10th number in the first place, and we have copied the remaining 2 number here. Now what we will do? Again we will interchange the place of these 2 number. Second number will come in the third place and third number will come in the second place. So the number will become 3, 6, 2. Is it clear up to here?
Yeah.
Okay, now see the last one, that is number 6. Now what happened, I will take 6 in the first place and we will write remaining 2 number as it is, like 2 and 3. Now what we will do, we will interchange the place of tens and ones. 2 will become here and 3 will come here. It will become 632. Now tell me, we have formed all the 6 numbers. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's see with one more example. Suppose example is 3, 2, 8. 3 to 8. So first we will start with the same number, that is 3 to 8. First number is 3 to 8. Now to find the second number, see I have taken 3 in the first place. Again I will take 3 in the first place. Now what I will do, I will interchange the number, interchange the place of a number. It will become 382. 382. Now I have got 2 numbers from the from the 100 place, that is 3. Now see number of tens place, that is 2. I have written there 2 and see 3 and 8. Now what I will do, I will copy this 3 and 8 as it is. 3, 8 as it is. Now what we will do, see here we will interchange the place. We will interchange the place of these 2 numbers and we will get 2, 8, 3. Can you see here? I am just using, I am taking this as a first number. Second, I am taking this as a first number. And in third, I will take this. The third place, 8 equals to 8. We don't write like this. See, for 8, what we will write? 8, we will write here first 8, then write the remaining 2 number, that is 3 and 2. Okay, now what will be the second number of 8? What we will do? Tell me everyone, to find the last number of 8, what we will do? Anyone know what we will do to change the place of 832?
Nope.
Now see here. Again what we will do, we will interchange the place. Again we will interchange the place and we will get 8, 2, 3. Now tell me, is it clear or any doubt?
Yeah.
831. Please tell me, is it clear to you? If not, then please tell me. I will explain. 831. If you have doubt, then please tell me. I will again explain. 831. Is this clear? How to form the number?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, wait again. And
Yes.
502. You tell me. Is it clear? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
And 586. Now you tell me.
No.
If not, again okay, wait. Listen, I'm again explaining how to form this. Listen very carefully, okay? This is very important. This topic is, just a minute. Now see how to form the number. Mute, see here. Everyone listen very carefully. Number 136. Now see here, there is a number 136. Now what to do? First we will start with this number. So what I will do? First six. Okay, our first number will be the same number that. Yes, please ask.
Are we almost done?
Yes.
Are we almost done?
You have done.
Huh?
I know you have done, but some they are getting problem. That's why I'm explaining again. Okay. Okay. Just let them also understand. Okay, we are just doing the revision. Today, our today class is the revision class. Today, up to where we have done that revision we are doing, and from tomorrow we will start the ordinal number, a new topic. Okay. Now, before that, see here, to form the numbers, first I will write the same number 136. Now, in the second time, what I will do, again I will write this one. I have written this one, and now what I will do, I will change the place of second number and third number. Second number will go in the third place, and third number will come in the second place. So 1 is already written. Now write the third number 6 and write the second number 3. Now tell me, up to here, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Please everyone tell me, up to here, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
What we have done, we have just written this 1 here and we have written the same number here. Now again I have written 1 here, and again I have changed the place of second number and third number. Third number will come in second number place and second number will come in third number place. Now this is done. Now comes to the turn of 3. Okay, after 1 the turn of 3 will come. So what happened? We will first write 3. I have written first 3. Now see, I have written this 3, and which two number is remaining? These two are remaining. Okay, I can't leave them alone. I have to take them carry. So after 3, 1 and 6. So after 3, write 1 and 6. Okay, now see, what will be the next number? See in the question, all the numbers I am taking 2 times. See here, 1 is here. I have taken 1 time, 2 times. 2. Now 3 is there. Again, I am taking 2 times. 1 3 is here. 1 3 is here. Okay. Now see here. I have written here 2 1 I have taken, and 3 only 1 time I have taken. So I have to take it one more time. See, one more 3. Now what I will do, I will change the place of second number and I will change the place of third number. So what it will become? It will become 1, 3, 6, 1. It will become 3, 6, 1. Now tell me up to here, is it clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now see, I have taken 1 in the one place. I have taken 3 again in the one place, and now it's turn of 6. What I will write, and after that count 1 and 3 are left. 1 and 3 are left. Okay. Now I want the next number.
I can hear.
6, 3. Yes. 6, 3, 1 is the next number. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Please. Now tell me 5, 8, 6. Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now 8, 8, 3, 1.
Yes.
Okay. Now 502. 502. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now this is clear to you all. Now see the next one. So we have now understood how to form the numbers with this number. Let us take one more example, then we will start. Now see, if suppose there is 0 in between, suppose 108, there is 0 in between, how many numbers will be formed? See, if there are 3 numbers, then each number 2 times means there will be total 6 number. And if there is 0 in between, then only 4 numbers will be formed. See how? First write the number as it is. This is our first number, 108. Now what I will do, I will take 1 as it is, and I will interchange the place of second and third one. Right? So what it will become? It will become 180. Okay, now see here, I can't take 0 in the first place. I can't take 0 in the first place. That's why I will take 8. Now for 8, it will be 8080 and okay. Can you see here? For 8, I have taken it 1. I have written this third number in the second place and second number in the third place. So this number we have found. Now we can't take 0 in the first place. So I have taken 8. Here I have taken this 8 in the first place and rest number I have copied. So 801. Now see the last number is 810. Now is it clear?
Yes.
We will not take 0 in the first place, because if we take 0 in the first place, then it will not be 3-digit number. If we will take 0 in the first place, then it will not be 3-digit number. It will become 2-digit number. See here, suppose there is any number like 023. Suppose there is a number like 023. So what we are saying? We are saying 23. We are not reading 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
We are always reading 23.
Why not?
We never read 0. That's why, yes, that's why these two are the only number that will use when 0 is there in between. Okay, and rest of the questions will not use. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Now everyone first tell me who is having any doubt in this question.
Dogs? What is dogs?
Up to here, any doubt?
No. No.
831, this is the
No.
first class. Please tell me
No.
up to here. 831,
Yes.
please tell me, is there any doubt?
No.
Okay, and 8586,
Huh?
586, is there any doubt?
No.
And 502,
No.
okay.
There's nothing right next to me. See? Nothing. See?
So, we have done up to here. And now what is left? Our even number is left for the division, odd number. Okay, and after that we have done all whatever in the previous month we have read, we have discussed all the questions. Only even number and odd number are left, that we will start. Okay. Okay, and 831. Okay, that 831. Our class start at 5 a.m. Okay.
I'm going to live in Minnesota.
No. I am telling you that you have joined 10-15 minutes before, right? 831.
Oh, we
Can you
can
tell
drop?
me the time? Can you tell me the time over there? Exact time. 8.
8:13.
8:15. Okay. Here 5:43 a.m. Okay. So our class start at 5 o'clock. Today you have joined 15 minutes before, right? So join at 5 o'clock. Okay. Otherwise you have to wait for some time. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. We can draw.
So yes, 502. Okay, now we will continue in the next class. We will start topic number. Then we will start a new topic, that is ordinal number. Okay, in the next class we will start a new topic, ordinal, right?
Okay.
Okay. Till then, revise everything whatever we have done. Okay. Bye bye everyone. We'll meet in the next class.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Bye.